Good morning, dear tutor and dear classmates. I'm going to make my work for task 4. Mm, First, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Karen Montaña Cristancho. I am 47 years old. I am a graphic designer. And I am a teacher of science and social in a primary school. I am a UNAD student and in the bachelor program in English. I am in fifth semester. I live with my parents and I have a daughter. She is 21 years old. Currently, I work in a primary school and there I teach different subjects. I like to read Julio Cortázar books. I like music in general, except reggaeton. I like to go to the movies with my family, and I especially watch the comic and science fiction movies. I like to draw, and I like to create stories for the children. I am currently learning to play the ukulele. My personal description is I am a medium height. I'm thin. I have brown eyes. My face is round and my skin is white. I am um, a very happy person. I have a heavy and long hair, and I have orange color in my hair. I wear glasses, and I like to use or wear with black uh, shirt and, and pants. Now I present my daily routines. I wake up every day at 4 a.m. I take a shower, then I eat my breakfast at 6 a.m. Um, and prepare my suitcase. Um, the next thing I do is to go to the work. Um, I work very close. Um, I only work 2 blocks. I start working as a teacher at 7 o'clock. I finish working at 3 p.m. In the afternoon. I always take a lunch with my students in the classroom at midday and arrive to my house soon. And always I sleep for 1 hour or 2 hours. At 5 p.m., I often try to go for a walk with my dog called Floyd. Look, this is Floyd. Eventually, I drink coffee with a special friend at 6 p.m. But normally I start my virtual studies at 6 in the afternoon. Almost, maybe always, I take a break and share with my parents special tea. um, and I resume my studies, until 10 o'clock at night. Uh, Quickly go to the kitchen. Always I go to the kitchen and prepare lunch the next day. While I share with my daughter, we talk about what happened during the day, and we schedule important things for next day. I always read for 15 minutes before bed and make my prayer, say thanks for the great day, and I finally my activities, and I go to sleep at midnight. Yes, thanks for all. Thanks for my partners, because they um, told me about my mistakes, and I want to improve. Thanks for the tutor and my partner. Bye.